Hello, in this video, I'm gonna cover AWS Lambda Layer using NodeJS. So let's begin. So if you see this file, package.json, I installed lodash.chunk. And if you go to the index.mjs file, I imported it, I used it. This function, how can I say, makes a chunk and by two elements, and this is the status code, and it is called, so let me run this. Before, I want to mention that this file is MJS file, so ES module, not common.js, is used. So let me do this. Node index.mjs, and it is packaged or bundled like this. Cool. So from now on, let's go to here. Let's go here. I'm in AWS Lambda dashboard, and let's go to the functions. And I will use this. And then I will upload the code, .zip file. So before that, we need to make a zip compressed file. So let me compress it. So like this. And I will call it as AWS Lambda Layer. And then let me upload that. .zip file, upload, layer, and save. Right? And then the codes are saved. And then this Lambda is linked, connected to this API gateway. And if you go to this configuration tab, and there is an API endpoint, and let me open this in a new tab, and it works fine. Alright, in this case, there can be a request that we want to remove these node modules and move to other place and then share this module. So and we can do that by layer. So let me delete this. It's deleted. And if you refresh it, oh no, I didn't deploy it, sorry. Alright, and then we refresh it. It doesn't work, right? And then let's go. So how can we do that? So first, we need to go to layer, additional resources, layers, and then let's create layer. And then I will name as lodash chunk, and same as description. And I will upload a zip file. And to make that, you have to be careful. You have to make a Node.js folder first. So I will make a Node.js folder, and I will copy these node modules to this Node.js folder, right? And then we have to compress it. And I will say lodash chunk compressed, right? And then let's go back to the Lambda and let's upload loaded chunk compressed. We uploaded it, and other things optional. I will skip it and create. So we created it, and then let's go back to functions, NodeJS with layer, and here layers. Let's click this and layers, and then let's add a layer. Before that we have to copy one thing. Layers, we have to, why is it version 2? Anyway, it's version 2. We have to copy this ARN. Alright, now let's go to the functions again, NodeJS with layer, and layers, add a layer, specify an ARN, and verify loaded.chunk, and let's add it. Alright, layers is added, and let's see what happens. It now works, right? Even though there is no node modules. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.